In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell gift cards on Shopify. This Shopify Gift Cards tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to expand their business offerings and provide customers with a versatile purchasing option that they can share with others. With the festive season or any special occasion just around the corner, adding gift cards to your Shopify store can be a fantastic way to drive more sales and attract new customers. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Products section on the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, you'll see an option to Add Products. Click on that to begin creating your gift card product. Treat this gift card like any other product you're adding to your store, but consider some additional details like specifying values or denominations that make them more appealing and adjustable to various customer needs. Make sure to pay attention to the descriptions, as this helps to clarify any terms and conditions you might have for using the gift cards. After you have set your gift card product up for sale and made it available to your customers, the next step is to handle the gift cards post-purchase. Upon selling a gift card, return to the Products section on that same left panel. This time, select Gift Cards. Here, you'll be able to manage and create the actual gift cards themselves. This section is your go-to area for issuing and monitoring individual gift cards. In this section, you can create a new gift card by specifying the details of whom it's for. You can either assign it directly to a customer from your list or create a gift card code and manually send it to the recipient yourself. The beauty of gift cards is their flexibility, whether purchased as thoughtful gifts or used by the buyer themselves. They can spend these at their leisure in your store. Facilitating this opportunity not only encourages additional purchases down the line, but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing them with a valuable flexibility option. It's a straightforward process, but one that can be quite rewarding for both you and your customers. Gift cards effectively allow your customers to introduce others to your products, broadening your audience and increasing potential sales. And there you have it, the process of creating and selling gift cards on your Shopify store. It's a simple yet powerful tool that every Shopify merchant should consider implementing. Don't forget to promote these gift cards as part of your marketing strategy, highlighting them in your email campaigns or social media if you can. This can increase awareness and desirability, especially around giving seasons, holidays, or any special occasions. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you continue to grow and expand your online business with Shopify.